In this video, I want to show you how to make a copy on your HP DeskJet 2855E. Step number 1, input the paper. Open the scan lid, take your page, put it facing down, and make sure that the lower right corner touches the lower right corner of the page, okay? Both needs to be touching. This is how you know everything is properly aligned. Close the lid, open the paper output. And now on the control panel, if it's not lit up, just press any buttons to wake it up. And since this printer has a pretty basic screen, you don't have multiple options. You have this button, the last one. This is for black and white copies, and you have the color copies right above. If you want to make multiple copies, you'll have to tap the appropriate button multiple times. For example, let's say I want to make 2 copies of this page. Well, I'll make sure that I have enough paper. And if I want to make 2 color copies, well, I'll tap twice on this button. 1, 2. And you're going to see the number 2 blinking. It will stop blinking and the process will begin. Usually it takes around, I would say, 25 seconds for 2 copies to be made, especially in color. And here we go. We got our results out. 2 copies. Thanks for watching. Comment down below if this was helpful. Subscribe, like, and I'll see you in the next one.